Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Action Center is not opening in Windows 11. If you are using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that your Action Center is not opening, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So you just have to very first restart your Explorer or your File Explorer or your Windows Explorer using Task Manager. You have to press Control plus Shift plus Escape or ESC button from your keyboard, and you might get a this tab screen. There's a Task Manager. It will be opened. Now you have to locate your File Explorer here. If your File Explorer is being used, like you have opened your File Explorer, so you might get that here. Otherwise, you can go to Details and just scroll down, locate explorer.exe, right click on it and click on Restart. Now once you have restarted your Explorer.exe, your completely desktop, your taskbar, and your action center will be reloaded or will be refreshed. And once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. Now you can easily access your action center. But if it's still not working for you, so you can go to search and here just search for CMD. Or if you're facing the issue that your search is also not working, so you can go to Task Manager itself, click on run the new task and just enter CMD and check this box to create this task with administrative privileges. Click OK. Now once you have done, it will open your CMD or command prompt with administrative permission. Now the very first you have to enter a command which is sfc scan now. Here's the scan now command. I'm gonna copy this and I'm going to paste it here. Press enter. It will take a few moments, like it might take 5 minutes to complete. You just have to wait for it until it completes. And once your scan now command completed here, once you just have interface, if you find if your PC found any junk file or any corrupted or damaged file, so you might get that in this section. So after doing this, you have to enter the second command, which is dism dot online cleanup image restore alt. I'm gonna copy this. You have to make sure to run this command you have internet access or your PC is connected to internet. Enter this command and just press enter from the keyboard. It will take a few moments to completely check your system, your drive, your system cleanup image. So you just have to wait for this. And once it's complete, your issue will be fixed. These both commands, if there will be any junk damage file in your PC, it might have been fixed in step. And after doing this, you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.